have to walk over those waypoints to mark them, or at least near them. I think this one is already marked, I know. It's not very obvious. It didn't light up.
Please, no! Don't hurt me!
I need more time. Still recharging.
Thank Akarat for your help, but my husband, he's
still in danger.
Where shall we go?
My wife and I are just simple folk. We don't have anything of value. 1,000 blessings upon you, friend. Ashwald's always had the occasional bandit. Nothing like this, though. What luck brings you to my door?
I have my reasons. It seems Ashwald has become overrun with the undead. Do you know anything about that?
Aye, the whole guard's been fighting them for weeks. My son joined up at the Crypt of Honor Dead just this morning. If you find him, I'm certain he can tell you more.
Stronger already. Point me to the enemy.
These obstacles are crazy.
Stop wasting my time, you peasant. I know her body was buried here. Where is Asila's tomb?
The Queen's tomb was hidden. The dead deserve their rest.
Wrong answer. The dead serve me. A fact you will learn soon enough. You, it's your turn. So I suggest you speak quickly. Where is the tomb?
I don't know. None of us do. Only the Queen's handmaiden knew its location. I swear.
So, let us stop this. You wanton disregard for life, blah blah.
How I tire of your jealous attempts to suppress my potential. Now with the power of the World Stone at my command, I will obtain true dominion over the dead. Your entire lethargic order will be swept away and replaced by one with the ambition to reshape this corrupt world. You are a relic, old man, and you are no longer needed.
So, thank you for your aid, adventurer. It appears I must go and teach my former student another painful lesson. The guard still lives, it seems. I left in your capable hands.
My power grows.
A day. Certainly didn't expect to get choked by some death mage when I left the stead this morning.
That death mage isn't past killing for the information she seeks. And you just gave her a target, Scylla's handmaiden. I need you to help me, or that girl is as good as dead.
Light, mercy. You're right. Wait, I know. Captain Asmir at Guard's Watch. He knows the maid. If you head there right away, there may still be time.
Shortcut.
Of my steel.
Okay, I will finish this video now, and I see you in the next one.